and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1. We'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2. We'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3. Learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Imagine being able to host unlimited websites and domains with faster loading speed for a lifetime at an unbeatable one-time price. Welcome to Host AI. Host AI allows you to enjoy hosting unlimited websites and domains for a lifetime. Experience blazing fast websites, 20 times faster than ever before. Enjoy a free SSL certificate and highly secure hosting. With an easy-to-use control panel, one-click WordPress installation, unlimited bandwidth, and unlimited personalized emails. Experience 100% uptime and automated daily backups. Our 100% cloud-based and SSD servers ensure faster loading speeds, perfect for newbies and easy-to-use software. All of this comes with a one-time fee for a lifetime. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on expensive subscription-based hosting and domain platforms when you can host unlimited websites and domains on ultra-fast servers with a one-time fee only. Now, host all your websites and domains in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log into our secure web-based server and add your domain names. Step 2. Choose your preferred services. Step 3. Access and control your websites from anywhere. Say goodbye to hectic monthly fees from old-school hosting and file storage companies. This offer is available for a limited period only. So hurry and grab your copy soon. In conclusion, Host AI saves you thousands of dollars in hosting fees every year for a lifetime, providing better, faster, and more customer-friendly services than any other competitor. The value you're receiving justifies a $100 per month charge. The best part? There are no monthly fees. We're making it affordable for anyone to host unlimited websites at just $17 for a lifetime. But wait, there's more. We're also offering 10 fast action bonuses to help you get the best results with Host AI. Remember, you're covered with a 30-day money-back guarantee, making it totally risk-free with a 100% money-back guarantee for you. The price increases every hour, so click the button below and secure your copy now at a low one-time fee.